In this video, we're going to create a quick and easy lightning effect in After Effects. First, grab the pen tool and draw a random line. Then, go to the properties of the layer, click on Add, and choose Trim Paths. Expand the Trim Paths options and click the stopwatch next to End to create a keyframe. Move the timeline forward by a few frames. I've moved it 20 frames forward. Set the end value to 100%. Go back to the first keyframe and set the end value to 0. Now, a few frames after the first keyframe, click the stopwatch next to Start and move the timeline forward just like before, setting the start value to 100%. When you play the animation, it should look something like this. Next, trim the work area by pressing the N key. Now, to taper the start and end of the lines, go to the Stroke 1 properties, expand Taper options, and increase the start length and end length to get a tapered effect. Then, click Add again and choose Wiggle Paths. Expand the options and increase the size and detail to distort the line, giving it a more chaotic look. Once you're done, preview your animation and you'll see your lightning effect in action. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs.